Are you looking to develop your employees with the training they need to excel in their roles and grow within your organization? We're Maricopa Corporate College, and we're here to help.
We were most in need of leadership training, and because it's grown so organically, we've trained over 200 employees, and we're continuing to train more.
So what our employees needed the most was English classes and citizenship classes. Our team members continuously ask for them, so that's something that Maricopa is able to provide.
An ESL program is so important to our community. Knowing English and understanding the language helps families support their children at home.
We've engaged in the effective communication, innovative mindset, and leadership essentials, and we're eager to explore more. I would honestly say all businesses can benefit from Maricopa Corporate College, from small businesses to large businesses. If you're a state agency or if you run a nonprofit organization, you will find utility and usefulness in Maricopa Corporate College.